Hey everyone, we're going to plot each complex number in the complex plane and also express our argument in degrees. We're going to do two problems. The first one we're going to do is 4 plus 4i, and the second one we're going to do is 9 square root of 3 plus 9i. Okay, so for the first one, the first thing I want to find is my polar coordinate, which would be r and theta. And your r you can get by taking x squared plus y squared, and that's going to equal square root of 4 squared just a minute. This was supposed to be negative here. I wrote it down wrong. So plus a negative 4 squared. Doesn't really matter here, but this is going to be square root of 32, which equals 4 square root of 2. So that's your r. And your angle you get from tan, because you have your y over x, which equals 4 over negative 4, or negative 4 over 4 equals negative 1. So my angle is 315 degrees. So I have r as 4 square root of 2, and my angle is 315 degrees. We're going to plot these in a minute. I want to go ahead and take care of this side. I get r equals square root of 9 square root of 3 squared plus 9 squared. And that's going to equal square root of 324, which equals 18. And then your angle you get from tan, and that's going to be y over x, which equals 1 over square root of 3, which equals the square root of 3 over 3. So my angle is going to be 30 degrees, because tan of 30 is square root of 3 over 3. So we have 18, 30 degrees. Now we can plot this, and for the first one, again, my polar form would be z equals 4 minus 4i, and my argument in degrees would be 4 square root of 2 times cosine of 315 plus I sine of 315 degrees. So I'm going to go all the way to 315 degrees, which is right in here. It just cuts this quadrant 4 in half here. And my r is 4 square root of 2, so it's going to go down a little below 4 here. Something like that. And of course you can draw your angle like that. Okay? And the next one we had that we already did the work on was we had our r was 18 and our angle was 30 degrees. So I kind of labeled this already. Let's do our argument in degrees. So we get 18 cosine of 30 degrees plus I times sine of 30 degrees. And when you draw this, you get 30 degrees. It's kind of in this area. We go all the way to 18, or close to 18. So just make it kind of, hopefully that looks like 30 degrees to you. And then your angle would just be up here like this. Something like that. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.